Hi everyone, good morning. I want to introduce the members of my group. My name is Aura Rahmartanti.
My name is Amanda Rizkia Zahro.
My name Nadia Nur Amalia Dianutami.
My name Salsabila Venda Kurnia.
In this video, we'll be explaining about breast milk. Welcome to our exploration of nutrients issue. Nutrients are often overlooked in our daily lives, plays a key role in our healthy and well-being. In this video essay, we will dive into the impact of poor nutrients on individuals, families, and communities. Look for the root causes of these problems and understand that nutrients is an issue that involves economics, education, and quality in society. Let's together seek a deeper understanding of nutrients issue and how we can contribute to solving them. Get ready to get an inspiration.
How do changes in breast milk composition throughout lactation affect infant growth and development? 2. What can we learn from differences in the weight growth patterns of breastfed and formula-fed infants? And how does this affect the risk of obesity and cardiometabolic disorders later in life? The nutrition content of breast milk does not just vary in single intake, but changes gradually from day to day and month to month, adapting to the developing baby's nutritional needs. This is what makes breast milk so unique. Breastfed babies have a lower risk of obesity and cardiometabolic disorders later in life. Breast milk has a nutritional profile that influences metabolic programming early in life. A mother may be surprised when breastfeeding to find that the milk she feeds her baby has a changing composition. This is a testament to the human body's remarkable ability to adapt to the baby's evolving needs, providing nourishment appropriate to their age and development.
Further understanding of breast milk can to affect metabolic programming and its impact on childhood and adulthood. Breast milk is not only the best food for infants due to its appropriate and diverse nutritional content, but it also plays a crucial role in infant metabolic programming. Changes in the composition of breast milk throughout the breastfeeding period affects infant growth and development. While difference in growth patterns between breast and formula-fed infants impact the risk of obesity and cardiometabolic disorders in childhood and adulthood. In addition, the fat profile of breast milk plays an important role in regulating infant metabolism. A deeper understanding of this has significant health implications. Current guidelines from International Healthy Experts recommend exclusive breastfeeding for infants until the 6th month of life. Breast milk is the best food for infants as its nutritional content is appropriate and has unique benefits, support healthy growth and development. Prevention for infants against infection and disease, contributes to mother-infant emotional bonding.
However, there is still so much to learn from this unique source of nutrition. Research in recent years has revealed just how diverse the nutritional content of breast milk is, with its composition not only varying over a single intake, but its content changing gradually from day to day and month to month, adapting to the nutritional needs of the developing infant. In addition, in the last decade, the long-term effects of breastfeeding have begun to be demonstrated and show benefits well into adulthood. Scientific studies have shown that breastfed infants have a lower risk than formula-fed infants of obesity and cardiometabolic disorders later in life. The nutritional profile of breast milk and its unique composition can influence metabolic programming early in life.
Changes in milk composition. The composition of breast milk is not constant, but changes as location progress according to the nutritional needs of the baby. The most significant changes occur in protein fat energy. In fat energy, requirement increase rapidly, doubling during the first year of life, reflecting the increased consumption of breast milk. Also, breast milk typically has 16.7 kilocalorie, 100 milliliter of energy. Some studies show variance and even lower, questioning that standard. Breastfeeding and programming metabolic. Several studies have shown that the prevalence of overweight and obesity has become an epidemic in many parts of the world. In the US, for example, in the last 3 decades, the prevalence of obesity in children and adolescents has tripled. What impact does infant have on obesity in childhood and in adulthood? It has been shown that breastfed and formula-fed infants experience different weight gain patterns in early life. The possible consequences of the different growth patterns have yet to be discovered. Long-term studies have shown that breastfed infants have a lower risk of obesity as well as cardiometabolic disorders than formula-fed infants in childhood and even adulthood.
Childhood protein intake and obesity in adulthood. Data seem to suggest that vegan again during early development can have consequences that last into adulthood. Current knowledge suggests that the so-called metabolic programming established in infancy may have important effect on body weight gain throughout a lifetime. Overweight and obesity that develop in individuals during childhood can jeopardize long-term health and life expectancy in adulthood. Differences in protein concentration between breast milk and formula may lead to lower weight gain during the first 2 years of life. This theory is called the early protein hypothesis. In 1988, Axelson et al. Reported that increased protein intake led to increased levels of insulin-releasing amino acids. reduce protein intake in infancy, the potential negative effects of high protein formula have led researchers to investigate the effects of low protein formula. An European study by Colexo et al. Showed that low protein formula was associated with lower body weight in infants up to 2 years of age. Suggesting that lower protein intake may reduce the risk of overweight and obesity led in life Colexo et al. 2009. The benefits of low protein formula also occur in infants of obese mothers. A study in infants of obese mothers compared the difference in weight gain between infants of standard formula and low protein formula. The low protein formula showed lower weight gain and BMI during the first year of life. Intrasa et al. 2012. Role of breast milk fat profile in programming. The importance of dietary fat type in early metabolic programming is an important issue. Breast milk contains a unique fat profile that differs from that of other mammals. In concentration of total cholesterol is markedly higher. Y and Gore 2009 epidemiologic data point to the fact that at adulthood the total cholesterol of breastfed infant is lower than of formula-fed infants. Owen 2008. This suggests that cholesterol metabolism is programmed from an early age. The mechanism underlying this phenotype is not yet known. However, it may be through regulation of hepatic hydroxymethylbutyryl coenzyme A. Reductase or through low density low lipoprotein receptor activity. More research is needed to better understand the role of cholesterol.
In conclusion, breast milk has a nutrient content that changes throughout the breastfeeding period according to the baby's needs, making it the best food for babies in addition to supporting healthy growth and development. Breast milk also provides protection against infection and disease and contribution to emotional bond between mother and baby. Moreover, scientific research has revealed that breast milk has positive long-term effects, including reducing the risk of obesity and cardiometabolic disorders in childhood and adulthood. The unique nutrient content of breast milk, which changes according to the baby's needs, plays an important role in the baby's metabolic programming. While the research continues to grow, it is important to recognize the importance of breast milk in providing great health benefits to the younger generation.
However, many questions remain unanswered. Why does breast milk have a changing nutritional profile? How does this affect the baby's growth and development? Are there key elements in breast milk, such as protein, fats, or even cholesterol, that have an important role in influencing the baby's metabolism? This research is just the beginning and we need to dig deeper. Through the ever-evolving scientific research, we can get a sense of how remarkable and complex the relationship between breast milk and baby's health is. While we continue to search for answers, one thing that is certain is the importance of breast milk in providing a strong foundation for babies' development and their future. That's a message worth considering as we reflect on miracle of breast milk and its impact on human life.